I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's your latest Weather on Demand forecast. Well, what a not so pretty Saturday we had for us here over the holiday weekend. Lots of rain, lots of wind, but the good news is it didn't rain all day. It did mess with our events, especially the Marquette Blues Festival. But notice how that one band moved out. The heaviest though was across the south, Iron Mountain, Iron River, and Escanaba, actually even over Lake Michigan. But now Saturday evening we have more rain banding, and some of these are actually stronger thunderstorms moving over Lake Superior, though they are fizzling out due to the loss of daytime heating. Winds, though, are helping to fuel some of these storms as well. They're out of the south, and those also have weakened as well. They're 7 miles an hour from Munising and also from Manistee. Pretty calm, but we did have gusts over 20 miles an hour today, so certainly gusty. And look at temperatures as well. Notice how we kind of bookended this. We're here with the readings in the 60s, 64 in Escanaba and Manistee, 63 in Newberry, and only notice the cool readings here across the south and across the south central. 58 Iron Mountain, 55 in Marquette. That's because the rain came at the worst time when we had peak heating, which was diminished from lots of clouds, but actually the high in Ironwood came later on in the evening, and the high out east came earlier in the daytime. And so us in the middle missed out on the sunshine and really, unfortunately, the heat. Let's take a step back and review some of the summer stats. This is part 2 from what I showed you last night. Let's review some of the rain that we had this summer, and those also who've lived this summer here in the UP, they know we've certainly had a lot of rainfall, and we did just that. June, 25 of 30 days it rained on us, and actually if you were even farther south, that pattern continued right into July. A lot of cities across the south, even the south central, recorded surplus in July significantly by over an inch or some even 2 inches, especially down towards Menominee. August, though, we reversed that pattern and got back in the rainfall here at the Weather Service, 1.5 inches above average. June, though, by all means was the big winner. All in all, when you add everything up, do the math, we were about 1.25 inches above average for this time, for the summertime here. And actually, thinking that might be impressive, it's just the wettest summer in 3 years since 2014, which was even wetter by about 2.5 inches. So we do see more rain on the radar here. One band moving through now downstate. That was associated with a warm front, and notice how one of these showers continues to move through and producing stronger thunderstorms over the UP. Notice though the very cool readings here across the upper Great Lakes. Sawyer 55, let's compare that with Billings is 91 degrees, and Bismarck flirting with 80. Actually, we're well in the 80s today. And again, it's that east and west division, and even down at, well, downstate, but also in the Ohio Valley. Very cool air. Cleveland only 63. Still dealing with what's left of a tropical storm now, Harvey, the remnants of that anyways, with the clouds. And so for our weather in motion, we are going to see isolated showers. Just notice our model kind of overdoes it there, but you can see that it produces a lot of cloud cover. And that does dissipate. By the time we get to tomorrow there, the low scoots off to the east, and look at this. Just a beautiful day. And also want you to take note of this little weak ridge, or just a weak high pressure. Not enough to throw the H on the map, but certainly just enough to boost temperatures into the 70s under mainly sunny skies. It's going to be a beautiful day. Get outside and enjoy this one as we flip the page back to summer. Doesn't last long though. Another system comes in for Labor Day, and that will bring us showers and of course much colder temperatures heading into the week. Tomorrow though, 72 to 78 is our range. Winds west-southwest 8 to 20, gusting over 20 miles an hour at times, especially in the afternoon. We're going to get to our warm readings due to strong southerly winds. We crash though Labor Day, especially in the afternoon, as our temperatures continue to fall. We'll start off in the upper 60s and end up in the 50s and really not rise much from there on Tuesday. But notice though, if you have any plans on Labor Day, don't cancel them, though there will be a chance of some morning showers around. But look at the rest of the week. 50s across the north both Tuesday and Wednesday, struggling to make 60. Fall is back.